Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix this problem. The app you are trying to install isn't Microsoft verified app. So to resolve this problem, just you need to click on change my app recommendation settings. So click here. Almost you will find this problem when you try to install any application. Now just you need to change setting from here. It's recommended. So select this first option anyway, but let me know if there's a comparable app in the Microsoft Store. Anyway, but warn me before installing an app that's not from the Microsoft Store. So select any option from these two. I will select this first one. Now close it and restart your PC and try again to install this application or any application which you try to install. So now you will not see that problem and you can install that program, game or application. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.